Hello everyone. My name is Jack and I am very happy to speak to you. Today, I want to tell you a story about my family trip. We go to a big city zoo to see many different animals. We love to learn new words and see new things together every day. I hope you like my story and learn something new today too. Chapter 1, The Morning of the Trip. Today is Saturday and the sun is very bright in the blue sky. My mother and father wake up early to make many nice sandwiches. I put my camera and a cold water bottle in my bag. We leave the house at 9 o'clock in the morning. The drive to the big city zoo is not very long today. I look out the window and see many green trees and cars. We are happy because we love animals and sunny weekend days. We arrive at the zoo and buy 3 tickets at the gate. There are many people at the entrance because the weather is good. I see a big sign with a picture of a smiling bear. We take a big map to see all the animal houses today. My father says that the zoo is very big and very old. I am very excited to start our walk and see everything. We walk past the big gate and see the first animal sign. The morning is the best time to see the animals in the zoo. Chapter 2, The Tall Giraffes and Big Elephants. First, we walk to see the giraffes. The giraffes are very beautiful and they have very long necks. They eat green leaves from the top of the high trees. My father takes a photo of a small baby giraffe now. It is very cute and it walks slowly near its mother. The mother giraffe is very tall and she has brown spots. Next, we go to see the elephants near the blue water. The elephants are gray and they have very large gray ears. One elephant uses its long nose to drink some cold water. It splashes the water on its back because the sun is hot. We sit under a big green tree to eat our lunch. We eat our tasty sandwiches and drink some cold orange juice. It is very quiet and peaceful under the large green tree. I see a small bird on a branch near our wooden table. My mother tells me that elephants are very smart and very kind. We watch the big elephants for a very long time near the water. Chapter 3, The Dangerous Lions and Tigers. After lunch, we go to the house of the big cats. We see 2 lions sleeping in the warm yellow sun. The male lion has a lot of hair around his head. He looks very strong even when he is sleeping on the grass. Near the lions, we see a beautiful tiger with black stripes. The tiger walks slowly and looks at the people at the zoo. It is very quiet because the cats like to sleep at noon. I am a little bit scared but the tiger is pretty. The tiger has a white face and a very long body. My mother says that these cats are very strong and fast. I take many pictures of the tiger for my school project. We watch the tiger move through the tall grass for 10 minutes. It is very interesting to see such a big cat so close. The tiger has very big paws and very bright yellow eyes. It looks like a very big cat from my street. We walk away slowly and go to the next animal house. Chapter 4, The Funny Monkeys and Colorful Birds. We walk to the trees to see the small brown monkeys. The monkeys are very funny and they jump in the trees. One monkey has a yellow banana and it eats very fast. Many people laugh because the monkeys play games with each other. They move from tree to tree and make a lot of noise. They have long arms and they like to play. We also see a big house with many colorful birds. There are red, blue, and green birds in the air. The birds sing loud songs and fly to the high branches. I like the blue birds because they have very long tails. One blue bird sits on a branch near my camera. It is very noisy but it is also very beautiful here. My mother points to a bird with yellow wings. The bird has very bright feathers and big black eyes. We stay there for a long time to watch the birds fly. The birds are very fast and it is hard to take photos. We see many small nests in the trees near the big windows. Chapter 5, The Zebras and Big Hippos. Now we walk to see the zebras near the white fence. The zebras have beautiful black and white stripes on their bodies. They look like horses, but they are very different and wild. They eat short grass and run together in the big field. Near the zebras, we see the big hippos in the water. The hippos are very fat and they have very big mouths. They stay in the water because the sun is very hot now. Only their small ears and eyes are above the water. One hippo opens its mouth very wide to show its big teeth. My mother says that hippos like the cold water. I take a very good photo of the zebras running. We like the stripes on the zebras because they are very special. The hippos are very slow, but they are also very strong animals. It is very fun to see so many different animals today. Chapter 6, The Gift Shop and Going Home. The sun is low now and it is time to go. We go to the small gift shop near the exit. I see many toys, books, and colorful shirts with animals. I buy a small toy lion to remember this great day. My mother buys a pretty painting and my father buys a hat. We walk to the car and we feel very tired now. The drive home is quiet because I close my tired eyes. I think about the elephants, the lions, and the funny monkeys. I also think about the big hippos in the water and zebras. It was a wonderful day at the zoo with my family. I want to visit the animals again very soon next year. My parents are happy because we had a very good time. We arrive home and we talk about our favorite parts of the day. I look at my pictures on the camera and they are great. It is time to sleep and dream about the big zoo animals.
Subscribe to our channel to enjoy new stories and learn English with us every day. Like this video if you love story. Write a comment and tell us what you think. We want to hear from you. See you soon. Bye-bye.